Hello, hello. Good morning. Thursday morning for me. I'm gonna try and knock out my World History A Unit 1 at these next four videos. If I can do the next six, so be it. All right, we're on lesson 7, Ancient Egypt and the Land of the Pharaohs. Everything is due for Unit 1 at the end of the month, so we have this week and next week to work on it. If you don't do well on something, email me. I can open that up. If you're stuck, email me. I can try and help you out. Thank you who have been showing up to my live lessons. You guys rock. All right. Quick shout outs to who am I shouting out to? Got you written down. I know I got you written down. To Caleb and Caballero. Thank you all very much. Love this first talk yesterday with Caleb. All right. Not a lot of things to do, not enough time to do this in. Let me go ahead and set up my timer because I don't want to take too much time for you guys. I really don't. Okay. So we got things to do, not enough time to do it. Unit 7, lesson 7 takes us to ancient Egypt and the land of the pharaohs. For this reason, I'm going to put in some maps in our Nearpod today. Short video, more Nearpods on that one. In regards to lesson 7 and ancient Egypt and this land of the pharaohs, 2 terms today. Y'all can see what's going on. Climate, the average weather of a region, and sacred, something that is holy or set apart. All right, take a look at that video. Like the Tigris and the Euphrates, the Nile is just as important. All right, the Nile River and this area of northeastern Egypt is where we get one of these grand civilizations. Egypt is divided into Lower Egypt and Upper Egypt. The Nile River just cuts through all of that. Most of its climate is along the Sahara Desert, so it's hot. If you think Texas is hot or Laredo is hot, hotter. Um, with that said, some geography. Here is Africa, right? The area that we're focusing on is this area right here, bordering the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. The Sahara Desert is huge. We, from time to time, get some sand across the Atlantic, right, Atlantic Ocean, into the USA. A lot of the hurricanes that we get start from the Sahara Desert. Interesting. Right, on the other side of Africa, the east side, we got the Indian Ocean, the island of Madagascar. The Congo Basin or this Congo rainforest is similar to the Amazon rainforest in South America. They are the lungs of the earth. Lungs of the earth. Right. So a little bit there for your maps for later. At the same time, we have a more detailed item of the Sahara Desert, or sorry, more geography. We have some mountains up on the north. Here's the Mediterranean Sea. Then we have the Sahara, Sahel, this region, the Great Rift Valley. Africa's tearing apart. And we actually have an ocean coming in right through here, guys. Give me a quick 20-second break. Okay, I think that was a good 20 seconds. Let's continue. All right, next door, we got Asia. We got this Horn of Africa where people go around. If you heard throughout history of the Somali pirates, they're out in this region, right? This is the Middle East. And then up here, we got Europe, kind of what, just geography, right? Giving you guys some area of how we are, where we are at. If we're looking at rivers, major rivers, the Nile River is one of the few rivers in the world that flows from south. It goes this way, north. Don't rivers do the opposite? Yes, they do, not the Nile. Reason, there's mountains over here, so the water goes down, but it's going north. It empties into the Mediterranean Sea. The Niger River used to belong to the French, so Niger, not the other word, please. And the Congo River, right? Another desert, aside from the Sahara, is the Kalahari and the Namib deserts. So Kalahari is in southern Africa. Just some geography lessons for you guys, right? When it comes to nations are important to know where we're at. Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, and Morocco make up this northern part of Africa. The rest of them are a bit difficult, so we're not going to get into all of them. Right? South Africa has the nation of South Africa. Then Madagascar, like the movie Madagascar, is from this place. You can zoom into this political map, but if anything, just these top nations. Egypt is what we're focusing on today. This geography that I'm trying to pass to you guys. The Nile River from space is wow. The Nile River from space. For this reason, like throughout history, everywhere else, we have cities that prop up along the side of it because humans cannot live without fresh water, right? So typically where we have a fresh body of water, not salt water, we have these civilizations, right? Interesting facts about the Nile. You're more than welcome to go here and check this stuff out. It's almost 6,700 kilometers long. There's two types, the blue Nile and the white Nile. It empties into the Mediterranean. It's old, has its own crocodile type of things. Then to finish up, we have this religion of Egypt. We do have gods or gods. For example, Re, also known as Ra, the king of the gods, represented the chief natural power of the sun, Ra, the sun god. Then it goes down from there. So we have one main god and many lesser gods. A good movie are Gods of Egypt that shows all this. I mean, it's fictional, right? But still, like, wow. And here's what I found for you guys, right? So it goes from Ra, and you can take history classes on this and not still figure all of them out. Shud, Tefut, Geb, Nut, Nefertiti, Osiris, Isis, Set, Anubis, and Horus. Gods that are mentioned throughout history. If you played Assassin's Creed Origins, I haven't finished it, but there's a lot of this Egyptian. You get to climb the pyramids in Assassin's Creed Origins, right? So enjoy this mini lesson. You all be good, be well. Nearpod to come soon. Lesson, what are we at? 6.8 coming up afterwards. Have a good one, guys.